The M2 heavy machine gun has been active in the military field since its inception, and is truly a century-old gun. It is equipped by the Navy, Army, and Air Force, and has been present in almost all major wars since World War I. This gun has the advantages of strong destructive power and long range, and has been chosen by many armored vehicles as a self-defense weapon. However, with the development of the times, people have put forward higher requirements for weapons and equipment. A company in Brazil designed and built a REMAX, War God, remote weapon station for the country in the early 21st century. This equipment is mainly equipped with the M2 heavy machine gun as its main weapon and can be installed on platforms such as vehicles and ships as needed. According to the Defense Technology Information Network, War God was developed by the Brazilian subsidiary of the Israeli Elbit Systems Company for the Brazilian Army, with a project contract value of approximately $25 million. This equipment should have been in service after passing tests several years ago. The first prototype of War God appeared in 2008, with the entire weapon system installed on a base that can rotate 360 degrees. A mount similar to a U-shaped structure is installed with a M2 heavy machine gun, which has the ability to stabilize in both directions, allowing for precise shooting in rough terrain. The elevation angle of the M2 ranges from -20 degrees to 60 degrees, and it can also be replaced with other machine guns. Additionally, 4.62mm grenade launchers are installed below the machine gun. An optical system used for combat and battlefield surveillance is installed on the left side of the weapon station, and the camera can switch to thermal imaging mode, providing day and night combat capabilities. It is said that this equipment can detect targets at a range of 5,000 meters and identify targets at a range of 2,000 meters, which helps to improve the combat capabilities of the M2 heavy machine gun at long distances. The operator of the weapon station remotely operates it through video equipment and 2 control levers, effectively avoiding the danger of exposing themselves. This weapon station can also be installed at border posts and other locations, and is a good modular machine gun kit that is widely used in military and police departments for tasks such as combating drug trafficking and international peacekeeping. A report from 2017 mentioned that the Brazilian Army had obtained 215 sets of REMAX, War God, remote weapon stations, which seem to be equipped with either the M2 heavy machine gun or a 7.62mm machine gun, possibly due to different purposes. They are installed for use on 6x6 wheeled armored vehicle chassis. The entire REMAX, War God, remote weapon station system includes the weapon station and the control panel. The weapon station weighs 250 kilograms and is approximately 0.7 meters high. The War God itself does not have its own power source and needs to be connected to an external power source to operate. Installing it on a vehicle involves modifying the electrical equipment. The system also has the capability to be upgraded with a 40mm automatic grenade launcher, but it should be noted that it may not be able to directly upgrade to heavier and more powerful cannons unless the base, mount, and corresponding support structures of the vehicle are reinforced.